Hey everyone, today we're checking out the MUSTORN Retractable Clothesline, perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. This heavy-duty clothesline stretches up to 15.1 feet and can hold up to 40 pounds without sagging thanks to its unique locking and tightening design. Made from durable stainless steel with a rust-proof and waterproof finish, it's built to last in any weather. When not in use, just retract the line to save space and keep your area clutter-free. Installation is a breeze with two options: glue mounting for smooth surfaces or drill mounting for more permanent setups. Whether you need extra drying space for clothes, socks, or quilts, this clothesline handles it all efficiently. Stay organized and save space with this smart, reliable drying solution. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.